Hello and welcome to the partner interview with Sovanta. My name is Claire, I'm from SAP Build. Today we will be discussing what is in SAP Build for Sovanta. Super thrilled to welcome our fantastic guests, Maria and Christian. Thanks for being here. Let's kick off this chat. Now, could you share with us what are the primary challenges your customers are facing today?
Digitalization has become a major challenge for many companies. When embarking on digitalization projects, many companies recognize the lack of standardization and uniformity in their processes. Together with many manual repetitive tasks and a complex IT landscape that makes it difficult to integrate the different systems. These issues lead to a lack of automation. A lot of IT knowledge and resources are required to meet the demands of digitalization. However, due to the shortage of IT specialists, innovative digitalization projects are long and cumbersome. In addition, not all the initial requirements can be implemented and good process visibility is often neglected, even though this is a key success criteria for project owners.
Thank you for sharing. Considering the challenges we have discussed, I'm curious about how can SAP Build solve the challenges you mentioned?
SAP Build directly addresses these challenges by providing an easy-to-use process automation framework. When starting an automation project, it is important to analyze the current process and standardize it as much as possible. With standardization in place, it is easier to implement the automation. This implementation can be done by so-called citizen developers. That means employees using the low-code, no-code technology of SAP Build. Guided by so-called pro-code developers, these employees can easily develop UIs with SAP Build apps, automation workflows with SAP Build process automations, and a digital workplace with SAP Build Workzone. Integration with external systems is made easy by using BTP capabilities, such as the destination service or the integration suite. For these tasks, citizen developers should work closely with the company's IT department and pro-code developers. This cooperation can have a positive impact on the success of the project, as business experts can directly implement their own requirements without the need for translation into IT language. In addition, the issue of process visibility is directly addressed by SAP Build process automation. With some configuration, it's possible to monitor the automation, identify problems in the implementation and process setup, and adapt the process directly to solve these problems.
Thank you for sharing these insightful examples. Now, can you please tell us more about how do you perceive the concept of enterprise automation, especially in the context of the combined capabilities of SAP Build Process Automation, SAP Integration Suite, and SAP Signavio?
The combination of these three tools offers a complete solution for enterprise automation. SAP Build Process Automation enables the creation and management of business processes. The SAP Integration Suite ensures seamless integration across various applications and systems. And SAP Signavio provides the intelligence needed to understand and improve these processes. Together, they enable organizations to become more efficient, agile, and intelligent.
Wow, enterprise automation sounds like a real game changer. Now, can you share an example on how customers could combine SAP Build solutions for a joint use case?
Let's imagine the following scenario. A company realizes that its current invoice approval process is slow and inefficient, leading to delays and potential errors. SAP Build Process Automation can be used to create an invoice approval workflow. This workflow could include steps such as submitting the invoice, automatically checking for errors or discrepancies, routing the invoice to the appropriate approver, and sending approval status notifications. The new invoice approval workflow must interact with existing systems, such as the organization's ERP system. SAP Integration Suite is used to ensure seamless integration, allowing the workflow to pull data from the ERP system and update the ERP system once an invoice is approved. To provide a user-friendly web application for involved employees to view the status of each invoice, SAP Build apps can be used, integrating the SAP Build Process Automation APIs for process visibility. Finally, SAP Build Workzone can be used to create a single point of access for this application, allowing access only to users who have been assigned the correct roles.
Thank you, Maria. That's impressive. Now, as we wrap up our discussion, can you please share with us what are your thoughts on the direction SAP Build is heading? Also, could you share any insights or opinions you may have on generative AI?
SAP Build is a relatively new product, but the market is aware of it and eager to combine it with SAP BTP and lift its potential. Many of our clients invest in SAP Build and SAP BTP to foster innovation. They enable their organization by setting up centers of excellences, conducting bootcamps to educate citizen developers, and initiating automation projects. Gen AI that will come with SAP Build Code to SAP Build could potentially support users with, for example, the modeling of workflows.
Fantastic insights. A big thank you to Maria and Christian for sharing your expertise and experiences today. Your insights have provided us a comprehensive understanding of the challenges faced and the innovation solutions being implemented. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to follow our YouTube channel for the latest updates. Have a good day.